Hello everyone, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by, and please consider subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I post. So guys, today I will be making a pasta salad and a dressing. Here are my ingredients for the salad. I have got pasta, olives, tomatoes, sweet corn, parsley, some eggs, cheese, avocado, carrots, cucumber, bell peppers, and some onions. And the ingredients for my dressing are parmesan cheese. I've got salt, parsley, oregano, basil, and black pepper. And over here I've got olive oil, some sugar, some vinegar, and mayo. So let's get started.